In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your chart of accounts to Excel from QuickBooks Online. This straightforward process can make managing your finances a breeze, as having your chart of accounts in Excel allows for flexibility in analysis, reporting, and sharing with your team or accountant. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be well prepared to navigate QuickBooks Online and create your own Excel reports quickly and effortlessly. Let's get started by opening up the QuickBooks Online website in your preferred web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account first, as you'll need access to proceed with this task. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a navigation bar on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll want to click on My Apps. This section is your gateway to the various features and tools that QuickBooks offers, including the all-important accounting features we'll be using today. Next, you're going to click on Accounting. Doing so will expand a drop-down menu of options available within the platform. From this list, find and select Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is essentially a comprehensive list of your company's financial accounts, organized into categories. It's a crucial part of managing your finances, and being able to export it to Excel will give you greater control and accessibility to your financial data. Now comes the exciting part, running a report based on your Chart of Accounts. To do this, simply hit the Run Report button. This will generate a detailed report that showcases all the accounts you've set up, along with pertinent financial data. This kind of report is perfect for gaining a thorough overview of your company's financial footing and making informed decisions. You'll notice a variety of icons on your screen as you prepare to export your report. Focus your attention on the icon that resembles a square with an arrow pointing out of it. This is typically the universal symbol for export or sharing, so it should be quite easy to spot. Go ahead and click on this icon to bring up a list of export options. Finally, in the list that appears, choose Export to Excel. With just a single click, QuickBooks Online will start creating an Excel file that contains all the information from your chart of accounts. This file will be automatically downloaded to your default downloads folder on your computer. Now you have a fully editable spreadsheet version of your chart of accounts, ready for you to use however you see fit. And that's all there is to it. You've just successfully exported your chart of accounts to Excel, giving you greater flexibility and control over your accounting data. Whether you're customizing reports for a presentation or simply prefer working in Excel, you'll find this skill highly valuable for managing your finances more effectively. Thank you for watching. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks Online tips and tutorials.